Hey brats, your girl Beautiful B, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm doing an unboxing slash review on this $50 wig that I got from Amazon. This is Jaja hair, and this is a Brazilian lace front wig. Now, if you guys want to see my review, the whole process of me putting the wig on and everything, this is why I look so busted right now. Just keep on watching. So first we're gonna do the unboxing. It came in a regular Amazon package, but I already had opened it because of sanitary purposes. This is what the box looks like, and this is what it comes with. The wig, I got a 10-inch wig, by the way, because I wanted it to be like a blunt cut bob kind of thing. Ooh, these are so pretty. It comes with some lashes. They upped their game on these wigs now. Y'all sleep on Amazon. This is some 3D mink lashes. I mean, those are going on today. Then it comes with a little card to just give you a thank you, I guess. And that's it. That's the box. So let's open up the package. Ooh. This is the wig. It's like a little grandma wig. Cause it's like curled under. This is a little grandma wig right here. But yeah, look at this is the lace. It's the parting space. It's pre-plucked a little bit. Still needs some more plucking, but it's pre-plucked. And this lace is kind of tinted, like a little dark. So I mean, it's gonna blend nicely with my skin tone. If you're a lighter complexion, this lace is not gonna be too nice for you because it's darker. And it comes with a comb here, and a comb here. It comes with 4 combs and an adjustable strap in the back. So far, looks pretty nice. It feels good. For a $50 wig, feels pretty nice. Just wondering what the length is gonna be like. I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I bleach the knots and customize the lace, and then we're gonna get into this whole process. Okay, so let's jump right into this bleaching process. You're gonna need a mixing bowl. You're gonna need some type of bleach. I'm using BW2. And you're gonna also need some type of developer. I'm using 40 volume developer right now because that's what I have on hand, but I suggest you use 30 volume developer if you don't know what you're doing. So I start by taking a scoop and a half of BW2, and then I mix some developer in it.
Knockout. You win.
I forgot to mention in the beginning that you're going to also need gloves, because when this bleach gets on your skin, it gets very irritating. So you want to make sure you're protecting your skin with some gloves. Now I'm going to mix the bleach and developer together until I get this thick consistency that's almost like a paste. And you see how it's not coming off my brush? That's exactly what you want. Now I just kind of slap the bleach right onto the lace. I don't really have no rhyme or reason to how I do it. I just try to make sure I do it in a way that I don't get it on the hair. I want to make sure it's penetrating the knots, but I don't want it to bleach my hair. And that's pretty much it. Now that I've applied the bleach all over the lace, I'm just going to set a timer for 25 minutes so that I know when to come back and shampoo and condition the wig. I've shampooed and conditioned the wig off camera, and now I'm just gonna spray the hairline so that we can get to customizing this lace. I don't really know how to explain how I pluck my hairline, but I just kind of go behind where it's already pre-plucked, and I just go in a little bit more.
Fight.
I don't really know how to explain how I pluck my hairline, but I just go in a back and forth motion, and I just try to take as much hair out at one time as I can. And I do it in a very gentle way. It kind of looks rough, but I'm being very gentle because I don't want to rip my lace. And I pretty much do this all the time, so I'm kind of used to it, and I just kind of follow the way how I want my hairline to look. Everyone's hairline is different, so it all depends on how you want your hairline to look. But I just kind of just follow a little pattern, and I just keep doing it until it looks exactly how I want it to look. Here, I'm just showing you the comparison to the side that's plucked and the side that has not been plucked yet. You guys can see a pretty big difference. Okay guys, so you guys see me bleach the knots and pluck the frontal, or customize my hairline. And you guys can kind of see how I customized it. If you can see that, I didn't tint my lace or anything yet, and you can see how nicely it's already blending into my skin. It looks a little ashy, so I'm gonna fix that when I do the install process. But this is just to give you guys an idea. If you guys want to see part 2 of this video of me styling this up and, you know, going from this to a whole nother person, stay tuned for the next video. It should be coming right after I post this one. So this is part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Once again, this is Jaja hair. If you guys are interested in this hair, I will leave the link below. This is a 10-inch lace front wig. And if you guys are interested in this link, I'm going to leave it in the description box. This is an Amazon wig. It came in 2 days, y'all. Like, and we're quarantining. You would have thought that it would came a little later. It came in 2 days from when I ordered it. How don't you have Amazon Prime? I don't understand. Like, you not living. Stay tuned for the finished product in part 2. Make sure you guys like this video, comment down this video, more videos that you guys want to see. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.